Let's work with Spirit, who is having some trouble standing patiently at the mounting block. I think it is a super important skill for horses to be able to stand patiently at the mounting block while you're getting on and ready to walk off. As soon as I got on Spirit, she started to throw her head around and try and pull the reins out of my hand and walk off. She doesn't need someone to punish her or be harsh on her, she just needs a little bit of clarity, so I would just pick up on my reins and hold firmly so she couldn't tug them out of my hand, and I would just ask her to keep herself standing next to the mounting block. Every time she walked off, I would just get her lined back up to that mounting block, and then we would stand nice and calmly. I would give her some pets, and it went really well. I got off of her, and then I got back on her again, and she was doing much better this time. She did still get a little bit squirmy, but we worked on it a few more times, and I had her standing right next to the mounting block for a few minutes before I hopped off.